Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that can change lives: dental implants. If you're curious about what they are, how they work, and whether they might be right for you, stick around. We've got all the info you need. What are dental implants? In simple terms, they are artificial tooth roots made of titanium that are surgically placed into your jawbone. These implants provide a strong foundation for replacing lost teeth, ensuring they look and function just like natural teeth. Now you might be wondering, why should I consider dental implants? Here are a few reasons. 1. Natural appearance. Implants look and feel like your own teeth, giving you a confident smile. 2. Durability. With proper care, dental implants can last a lifetime. 3. Bone health. They help maintain jawbone integrity by preventing bone loss that often occurs with missing teeth. 4. Ease of eating. Say goodbye to discomfort. Implants allow you to eat all your favorite foods without worry. Now, let's break down the whole implant placement process, so you know what to expect. Initial consultation. Your journey starts with a consultation. The dentist will assess your oral health and discuss your options. Implant placement. During a minor surgical procedure, the implant is placed into the jawbone. Don't worry, local anesthesia is used to keep you comfortable. Healing period. After placement, there's a healing period of a few months. This allows the implant to fuse with the bone, a process called osseointegration. Abutment placement. Once healed, an abutment is attached to the implant. This serves as the connector for the final restoration. Crown placement. Finally, a custom-made crown is placed on top, completing your new smile. Now, who is a good candidate for dental implants? Generally, if you're in good health and have enough bone to support the implant, you may be a great fit. Healthy gums, no untreated periodontal disease, non-smoker, or willing to quit. Commitment to oral hygiene. If you have concerns about bone density, don't worry. There are options like bone grafting that can help. Talking about potential risks and considerations, as with any procedure, there are some potential risks to consider. Infection at the implant site, nerve damage, sinus issues, for upper jaw implants. But remember, these risks are generally low, especially when you choose an experienced dental professional. So, there you have it. Dental implants can be a fantastic solution for restoring your smile and improving your quality of life. If you're considering implants, consult with the dentists at Trident Dental Care, Bangalore, to discuss your options and find the best path for you. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who are considering implants for themselves or others. Remember, a healthy smile is a happy smile. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.